Hello, good morning guys, and to our international business partners and friends, I'm Diri Vamonte from Philippines, one of the business mentor and co-founder of DTA Infinity International. Welcome to AIM Global Kenya presentation. I made this short video presentation just to share to you how our AIM Global business works and how you will become part of this amazing business opportunity. Now, these are the ways or steps on how to start the business. First, all you have to do is to purchase our global package, which is 20,000 Kenyan shilling, and of course, this is a value for money package because you will receive a product worth of 22,450 Kenyan shilling. Next, you will also have your own business kit. It has your CD, brochures, price list, forms, and other materials for your business. You will also have your own ATM account or AIM ATM account where you can withdraw your income twice a week. Since you are in Africa, you will use our BDO International ATM card. But if you are in Nigeria, you can have your own Access Bank ATM card. And once you become officially a member of our company, you will automatically own an account in our webpage or DTC, known as Distributor Tracking Center, where you can log in and monitor all your business transactions, like who joined your business, who purchased products under your group, when and what time they joined. Next, since you are part of my team, you are qualified to join in my free training program. Me and my team will help you to do the business by teaching you the skills you need in building your own huge organization. And lastly, you can now start your business around the globe. Yes, around the globe. You can sponsor people from different countries like Hong Kong, Singapore, Korea, Africa, Dubai, USA, Europe, name it, because our business is open to 200 countries with AIM World. Those I have mentioned above are just the benefits you will enjoy once you decide to join in our company. Now, my next topic is how you will earn using the AIM Global Business System. Here's the AIM Global Lucrative Marketing Plan and Compensation Plan program. First is our retailing. Enjoy the 25% to 50% lifetime discount on all our AIM Global products. Good thing about this is we don't have quota, meaning you don't need to maintain products just to secure your accounts in our company. Second is our sponsoring or direct referral bonus. Enjoy our bonus of 900 Kenyan shilling every time you have a direct referral. Each direct referral, AIM Global will reward you a 900 Kenyan shilling for just endorsing the business to your friends. You will earn this bonus right after your sponsored member had successfully registered in the AIM Global official website, meaning he or she is fully paid the amount of the package and had met all the requirements needed. Good news is you can sponsor as many as you want or as many as you can. Example, let's say this is you. All you have to do is to find your two friends. You sponsor distributor A and the company will give you a 900 Kenyan shilling, and on the following day, let's say your friend B joined, you will get another or additional 900 Kenyan shilling with a total of 1,800 Kenyan shilling. What more if you sponsored 10 of your friends in a week? You will earn 9,000 Kenyan shilling. Now, next is our match sales bonus or pairing bonus. In this case, we will divide your group into two. You will have your left and right sales group. The company will reward you 2,700 Kenyan shilling for every pair or match. It doesn't matter if that pair came from you directly or from your group efforts. As long as there is or there are pairs, you will earn this bonus. Remember, from your direct sponsoring or direct referral bonus, you already earn 1,800 Kenyan shilling. Now, in match sales bonus, we will divide your group into two. You have your left sales group and right sales group, and the company will give you 2,700 Kenyan shilling for every pair you have your left sales group, which is distributor A, and distributor B on your right. It will automatically pair on your account and you will earn 2,700 Kenyan shilling. Now, all in all, from your two friends who join on your team, you have already earned or you earned 4,500 Kenyan shilling. Now, here's the catch. If distributor A and B do what you did, which is sponsoring people or two people, they earn 4,500 Kenyan shilling as well. It's a fair business, right? Because you earn 4,500 Kenyan shilling and distributor B and A earn 4,500 Kenyan shilling as well. Now, based on the rules of match sales bonus, you will earn 2,700 Kenyan shilling if you have new member from your left and from your right. Let's take a look at this. You have two friends from your left and two on your right. They match. You will earn 2,700 Kenyan shilling and another 2,700 Kenyan shilling with a total of 5,400 Kenyan shilling. Okay? Now, let's say distributor C and D invited their two friends and they joined, and distributor E sponsored two of his friends and F sponsored one of his friend, but his friend sponsored one of his friend. Remember, the rules on match sales bonus, if you have one left and one right, you will earn 2,700 Kenyan shilling. Okay? You have 4 new friends from your left and 4 new friends from your right. You will earn 4 multiplied by 2,700 Kenyan shilling or 10,800 Kenyan shilling. Plus, from your previous income, your total earnings is 20,700 Kenyan shilling. Imagine this. What if they recruit their friends, relatives, churchmates, schoolmates, co-workers, etc., etc. Enjoy the 2,700 Kenyan shilling every month. That's it. I'm done with my presentation. That's how we do our business. I hope it helps you to understand the business, and if you have questions, just message your sponsor or you can send or leave comment down below. Okay? And don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you once again. I'm Diri Valmonte, your business coach. God bless and more power to us.